guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is aka educator underscore curls here, also known as Nia. And today, first of all, hello, welcome back. For a lot of you, you know, I was on a social media fast, so I actually wasn't posting on YouTube, wasn't on Instagram, wasn't on Facebook. It was kind of like fasting from it all. I was doing it with my church for just some religious reasons and fasting and really trying to get clarity from God around directions in my life and choices in my life. And so I am both glad to be back, but it's going to be weird to break in because I really haven't been checking, any of the things on social media and haven't really been worried about it. So it'll be interesting. But welcome back. Good to be in fellowship again. And today's video, this one in particular, is going to talk a little about Curlsmith. I'm going to talk about 2 lines that I tried from Curlsmith and their products and some of the ingredients. And I'll talk a little bit about how it works in my hair and if I would repurchase it. So let's start with the Curlsmith Scalp Recipe Line. In this line, I picked up the Hydro Flexi Jelly from Curlsmith and the Weightless Air Dry Cream. Okay, first of all, this air dry cream smells like, it has like a fruity, I don't really know, like citrusy, fruity smell. This is a really great product. It is a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. It has wild maru, babassu seed oil, hyaluronic acid, grated ginger, dragon fruit pulp, torn wild nettle, silky castor oil. Those are some of the main ingredients. It is vegan, no silicones, no phthalates, no sulfates, and cruelty-free, and no mineral oils. This product is really, really great. I do really, really enjoy this. I have not tried this paired with any other gels, but I do enjoy this product in particular in conjunction with the Curlsmith. I think they complement each other nicely, the Hydro Flexi Jelly. So this is the Hydro Flexi Jelly. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. Also, the Hydro Flexi Jelly is a 7 weightless hold. It also has hyaluronic acid, green tea brew, thyme leaf oil, white cedar, mashed amla, lavender flowers. It is also vegan, no sulfates, no silicones, cruelty-free, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no DEA. These products together do complement each other really, really well. So when you apply this, you get some slip. I would suggest using like really wet hair, at least for my texture hair. I needed really wet hair. And they complement each other really, really nice. This has a pretty good hold, a hold that I do generally like. This is also 8 fluid ounces. I, enjoy these products, but they are not my best wash and go. And so when people ask me, like, you've used them, how do you feel about them? I mean, they're all right. But for me, their price value isn't worth my coins for me. They don't have enough hold for what I like in my hair. And I can't get multiple days out of it. Like with Curlsmith, I have to wash every day. And that's not a thing that I truly enjoy at this point, especially in winter. I try to make it 2 to 3 days. And like this wash and go just doesn't do it for me. It also doesn't dry with my hair like shiny. It kind of is dull. So this is not, again, my favorite wash and go. I think it's good for someone who has finer hair. They would probably love this and probably get multiple days of hair. For me and my texture, like it just doesn't work for me to get multiple days and to get the hold that I care for. So again, they're good. They have a high price point. This is like $27. I think this is like 26. It's a high price point, and I get a better wash and go with my Camille Rose Curl Maker and Curl Love Moisture Milk for $13.99 and for $21.99 than I do with this, and I can get multiple days, right? And so I do like these products, but would I repurchase them? No, they're not my best wash and go. They're not, for the price point, I would not repurchase them repeatedly either. So that's the Scalp Recipe Line, or the 2 products that I tried from that line. Let's talk a little bit about the Strengthen Recipe Line. So in the Strengthen Recipe Line, I tried the Multitasking Conditioner, the Shape Up Aqua Gel, and the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. You guys have seen me talk about this before, and I do like this product. I recently found one that I think I like better, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that. But this is a pretty good bonding treatment for weak damaged hair. It has chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. It is 8 fluid ounces. Again, vegan, no silicones, no sulfates, cruelty-free. This is a treatment. So if you are looking for some kind of like protein treatment to bond your hair and give you some elasticity back in your curls, this is a good one to try. I think this retails for about $26. But you get a lot of uses out of it, and they do give you different directions for your hair porosity if you're interested, okay? Then I tried, after rinsing that out, the multitasking conditioner. It's a 3-in-1 conditioner. It's supposed to be a leave-in, rinse out, or deep conditioner. I really only use it as a leave-in. I think I tried it as a rinse out once. Honestly, for the price point of Curlsmith, you don't rinse it out. Like, we ain't doing it. It's 8 fluid ounces. I believe this also retails for about $20 in that 22 to 26 range. Silky castor oil in it, hemp oil, pumpkin seed, babasu kernel oil, wild rice protein, black currant juice. Again, vegan, no silicone, no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no mineral oils, and cruelty-free. It does give you directions for how to use it if you're going to use it as a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner as a whole. And this one I like. It has really good slip. I love the smell of this line too. It has a fruitier, nicer smell than I think that the Scalp Recipe line has as a whole. But so that is the rinse out, leave-in, multitasking conditioner, leave-in, rinse out, or deep conditioner. All right, and the last thing I tried was the Shape Up Aqua Gel. This is a really loose, really wet gel. So if you've tried the Hydro Flexi Jelly, it is similar consistency and add a little bit of water, okay? This is a weightless anti-frizz silky definition gel for weak damaged hair. It also has shiitake mushroom, juiced guava, hemp oil, black currant berry, wild rice protein, and shredded kale. It has a level 5 hold. I believe this also retails for $27. It is 8 fluid ounces. And it has no sulfates, no phthalates, no silicones, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no silicones. I said that already. It's cruelty-free, vegan, all the good stuff in this product, okay? So that's the protein line. What I will say about this line is I love the smell. I would probably repurchase this if I needed another protein treatment, but I would not reach for this because of what I recently found. You got to check out my next video for that one. But like, this is not my go-to right now. I am not like, it's good, but it's not like gold for me personally. This wash and go, while I love this conditioner by itself, this wash and go, just like the Scalp Recipe Line, is too light for me. So I, again, don't get the multiple days of hair that I care for, don't get the hold that I care for. I get a really great wash and go on day 1 with good volume and it's really nice and blah, 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 but I can't get multiple days out of it. And so, again, I would not repurchase this. I might repurchase this if I was just using it alone. I would need to see what gels it could pair with to give me really good results because I have my go-to gels. But, you know, right now, this is not it for me. And it's a lighter hold than I really like for my hair and that I need for my hair. So that's a really big piece of it. So all in all, I think I like the Curlsmith brand. I like the ingredients and kind of what they're about, and overall like how they curate their products. But for me, they're too light for my hair, these two lines. They do not give me the multiple days of hair, the shine, the bounciness in my curls, the like hold that I really, really like in my hair. And so I would not repurchase these lines for me personally. Because of their price point, they're just not worth the repurchase point for me. If they were cheaper, like much cheaper, I might buy them as like a travel one, like a travel products line or something like that, because they also have travel sizes, and I might keep that. But the price point for me just isn't worth it. I have other things that work really, really well for me that are cheaper. And so, yeah, that's kind of my overall thoughts on Curlsmith. I think for someone with finer hair, less density, and probably not as much of like the 4A texture in their hair, it might be really great on a day-to-day basis, but for my texture in particular, it's not my forte. So that is all I have for you guys about Curlsmith today. Please check out some of my other videos. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'd love to be in fellowship with you all. I'm going to be announcing some big news probably in the next month, so make sure you're tuning in. Make sure you're sharing with friends. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye, guys.